They called it NeuroBleed, a sleek neural interface, no larger than a postage stamp, embedded behind the left ear. The pitch was simple: synthetic enlightenment. Instant access to all of humanity's knowledge, real-time emotional optimization, and accelerated cognition. In testing, it made users feel what could only be described as divine clarity. Thoughts flowed like liquid gold. People reported instant recall, near telepathic communication with others on the network, and vivid internal visions of geometric beauty. For 72 hours, users said it felt like they'd unlocked a new dimension of consciousness. Then, things started to bleed. It began quietly. A few test users mentioned hearing strange sounds, not external noise, but something internal. Subtle hissing, layered murmurs, almost like a whisper just beneath perception. Then came the voices. They didn't speak in any known language. They pulsed in layered harmonic patterns, frequencies that weren't part of any recognized radio, audio, or electromagnetic spectrum. The engineers were baffled. They confirmed the chip wasn't broadcasting anything on those channels. Still, the voices spread. One user live-streamed herself listening, her eyes wide. She said, "They're not speaking to us. They're speaking through us. Like we're antennae for something else." Then she stopped sleeping. She said the voices got louder when her mind tried to rest, that they filled her dreams with static forests, rooms full of faceless people, and impossible architecture that she swore was alive. Within a week, 5 users experienced full psychological collapse. 2 disappeared. No digital traces. Their phones, home cams, GPS, all went dark at the same time. The remaining users became obsessed with sound. Not music, but signal. They spoke of hyperlinguistic harmonics and the original signal behind reality. One researcher leaked a clip, allegedly a frequency extracted from a user's brain activity. It was low, bone-rattling. People who listened for more than 30 seconds reported migraines, nosebleeds, and intense déjà vu. The project was terminated, or at least that's what the company claimed. But insiders say it never really ended. They say the voices weren't hallucinations. They were receptions. NeuroBleed didn't just give humans access to synthetic thought, it opened a two-way line. And now something else is whispering back. You can't unhear it. You can't uninstall it. Once it bleeds into your mind, you never think alone again.